How to check Sam's Club Mastercard reward and log in. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily check for Sam's Club's Mastercard rewards and then log into your account. So the first thing you have to do is go to your web browser and simply search for Sam's Club credit card or Mastercard. Hit enter. You'll see this you'll see this URL Sam's Club synchrony.com. Go ahead and click on this link. And here you'll see a bunch of credit cards that you can learn more about. In order to sign in, just go ahead and click on the sign in button at the top right. Now on this page, you should have an option to enter your login details to sign into your account. Now, in order to log in, you're going to have to provide your user ID first, then simply enter your password. And if you want to view your password, click on this show button to view your password. And if you want the browser to remember your login info, you can check this box so that you don't have to enter your user ID or password time and again every time you'd like to log into the account. And if you forgot your user ID or password, you can click on either of these to recover it. Here, you'll just have to provide some of your details to recover your account. And once you are logged in, you will have a reward tab inside the browser where you can find all of the rewards you've accumulated over time on your credit card. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.